Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix three-line settings option not showing on Instagram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about, you will search about Instagram app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Instagram, and as you see here, you can update your app if you find update. And if it's not working with you this step, then you will go to Instagram here. Here you will go to design of profile. Then you will click on edit profile. Here you will go down until you find switch to professional account. Here you will click on continue like this. And then you can choose anything you want here in this list, for example, blogger or artist. Then you click done. Here you click OK. And click here in this sign of display on profile. Then you will wait a moment until your account switch to profile professional. As you see here, you can choose if you want business or creator. You will click on creator like this and you will click next. Then you will click OK. Here you will click in this sign. And after that you will find your three-line option showing to you here, and you will find your settings. You can go to settings here in this list. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.